Hi, I'm Bassam Saeed. I'm a professional local and web marketing consultant. In 2007, I've created Mystery Auto Income, which was one of the most prominent resources of its time for profit generation and online marketing education. In 2008, I've started Excel Marketing, our business and marketing consultancy firm. And later on, in 2013, I've started Web Elites, our new hugely successful company that provides web design, development, and e-marketing services. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your own website or blog. In about 10 minutes, you can have your own amazing website or blog like this. You don't have to know anything about websites or blogging or do your research. Everything you need to know is here. By the end of this short video, you will be able to start creating your own site. In order to have your own website or blog, you will need to do three things. Get a domain name, get web hosting, and create your site. I'll explain these things to you in a moment. It's all fairly straightforward. What is a domain name? A domain name is just the web address of a site. Facebook.com or ebay.co.uk, for example. You'll need to choose a domain name. Domain names must be unique. You can't choose one that's already taken by someone else. And almost all the good short domain names were taken long ago. You probably have to come up with something at least 3 words long. If the name you want is taken, try adding a word at the end that describes your website or blog. For instance, musichits.com is definitely going to be taken, but musichitsplanet.com should be available. Whatever name you choose, just keep it simple and obvious. Web hosting. Web hosting is where your site sits on a computer in a building somewhere when you put it on the internet. Web hosting should cost around $5 or so per month. Web hosting is the only thing you need to pay for in order to have a website. I'll show you how to sign up for web hosting and choose a domain name in a moment. Once you've signed up for web hosting and the domain name, it's time to create your website. The system I recommend you use is WordPress. It has a good combination of simplicity and depth. So it's easy to start with, but it has all the features and options you will want later on. It's great for both regular websites and for blogs. These are some typical WordPress websites. Even nicer themes are available for a small fee. WordPress is simple to us. Everything is done from the control panel. Creating pages, adding blog posts, changing the layout. Now, let's get started. First, to sign up for web hosting. I host many of my websites with Web Hosting Hub. They're simple, cheap, and provide good support. If you'd like to use Web Hosting Hub, you can get it. Just go to whdiscount.com and you'll get a discount of around 50% of the normal price. Just go through the steps of signing up. Choose a domain name. Web Hosting Hub offers a number of extras like site backup, antivirus, anti-spam protection. None of these are compulsory, but feel free to sign up for any of them if you wish.
Now, let's log into our account. Now, you should be at Web Hosting Hub's Account Management panel. Just click on the Install Popular Software icon.
To install WordPress, just click WordPress, then Install. The domain name field should show our domain that we've just registered earlier. No need to touch these other fields, except for these here, site name and site description. Site name is the field in which you're going to type in the name or title of your new website, and in the site description field, enter a short phrase describing your site. Then you come down to admin username and enter the username you want as the site's or blog's admin. Choose your password and enter the admin email you wish. Leave the language as English, assuming you're an English speaker. Now you can see the install button here but there is a field below the install button in which you can enter your email address if you wish to have the installation details emailed to you. Once everything is done, click install. Now the site is online. Let's check it out. And here it is. There's not much here yet, and it's using a very simple design. Just click the login link, sign in by typing the username and password you've chosen earlier into these fields here. And here we are. This is the control panel for your website. There are lots of things you can do in here, but the important ones are all in this Welcome to WordPress section. Let's start improving your website. Now, if you're making a website, not a blog, click Customize your site. And then set the front page of your website to be a normal web page called static page. Otherwise, your front page will be a blog. You can still have a blog called posts page if you like, but I'll leave that out for now. Now, if you're making a blog, it's time to write your first blog post. Or if you're making a website, it's time to edit your front page. And there it is. Now let's get back to the dashboard and continue. You can add more pages or posts, view your site, or allow or disallow the posting of comments. Let's change our theme to something fancier. Here is a theme that looks nice. Let's go with it. Let's give it a header image while we're here. Looking good. That's basically it. Are you ready to start making your own website or blog now? Head to Web Hosting Hub by using the address whdiscount.com to get the cheaper price and sign up. Then install WordPress and start making your site. If at any stage you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below or talk to Web Hosting Hub's live chat. Good luck!